this is David, Skinny Vegan Fitness, coming to you with another video. Today I'm actually visiting a dairy farm out in the countryside of the Czech Republic, and we're here to have a look around the farm. Gonna take some footage and gonna see what's going on. Here you can see the baby calves that have been separated from their mothers. They put them in these tiny little cages where they have very limited space to move around and a very limited space to actually sleep in also. As you can see with this calf, they don't want to be in these spaces. They want to be outside. They are babies. They want to play. They have a lot of energy and they get stressed. Because they're not with their mothers, they have these mechanisms where they can suck milk through a teat, kind of like an udder. This is pretty much how they'll live their lives until they are either killed for meat or old enough to produce milk. Here what you can see is where some of these cows have been dehorned. You can see on their heads where the horns used to be. This is a very painful procedure that they do. The reason they do this is because the horns pose a threat to the workers and also to each other because of the stressful situation. And as you can see, it's still quite raw. Here you're seeing the udders of one of the cows, and as you can see, it's very swollen with veins coming out. This is not natural for cows. This is because of the breeding to overproduce milk. That's how they've been bred. The machines that you're seeing here, they are pulling on the udders and extracting the milk from the cows. Definitely not a pleasant experience for any animal. If we can imagine a human in this situation, we can imagine how painful and frightening that must be and feel. As much as people would like you to believe otherwise, cows are not stupid, big, machine-like animals. They are caring, they're curious, and they just want to be loved the same. They show us affection when given the chance, and they show each other equal affection also. They're just animals like us. I made this video because I wanted to show the reality of a dairy farm, and this dairy farm was high welfare. These are some of the best conditions that these animals will be in. However, it's still not good. It's still exploitation. It's still taking babies away from their mothers, and as you could see, some of those animals were still stressed. So when it boils down to it, when we no longer have to drink the milk of animals to be healthy, what's the reason that we're still doing it? We don't need to keep putting animals through this. We can be different, we can be better. If this has affected you and you feel that it's time for you to change, then do check out the links below. There's a link to a page called Challenge 22, which I am sure could really help you. And please do message me as well if you want to discuss this further with me. I'm always happy to help anybody that wants to make positive lifestyle change like this, to adapt their lifestyle to a vegan one. Thank you so much for watching. Please share if you feel that you know someone that could benefit from seeing this, and I'll see you next time.